Do you feel like you're spending too much time consolidating and reporting on continuous improvement project work? Is it even visible to you in a quick and easy way? Do you spend more time with spreadsheets than you do coaching and mentoring your teams? If you experience any of those frustrations, we'd love to show you how Traction Project Management can help.
Traction provides a complete project management platform that focuses on project execution. From collecting project ideas to sustaining the improvements implemented. Many of our clients also use it as a reference library to make good projects accessible over time. Specifically, Traction will help you to select and plan the right projects, and then manage those projects to improve KPI performance. Provide just-in-time tutorials to project team members for all the Lean Six Sigma tools. Deliver consistent, effective coaching across the organization based on analytics. Increase project completion rates while decreasing project cycle time. Share real-time reports so all stakeholders can see the status of the work getting done, including what's next.
With over a dozen available project roadmaps and the ability to customize your own, Traction is ready to provide the foundation for you to drive process improvement across your organization. Take a few minutes to learn more. Contact us at sales@moresteam.com or call us at 614-602-8190.